byproduct of mostly industrial machines is heat. And now one green energy company is using some of that waste heat to generate energy. It's tonight's Free to Be Green. It's called a green machine. Its makers say it can generate electricity using no fuel and has no harmful emissions.
Simply what it does, it takes heat, wasted heat from any number of sources, runs it through our equipment, and we generate electricity with it.
A simple concept with some fairly complicated engineering behind it. Here's how it works. Waste heat from an outside source is passed through a heat exchanger, similar to the radiator in your car. Then a refrigerant is pumped through the heat exchanger next to the hot source, and that's when the magic begins.
So that refrigerant, because it has a low boiling point, it gets all pressurized and excited and everything, and then it runs through the heart of our equipment, which is a twin screw expander. And that pressurized fluid runs through that expander. That's what is then coupled to a generator, and that's how we generate electricity.
Experts estimate as much as 9 million megawatts of waste heat is generated around the world every day. They say turning even a small percent of that into electricity could be a boon.
If we could generate electricity on just 10% of that, that's enough to power over 700 million homes.
Manufacturers say the green machine can produce electricity from a wide range of waste heat sources, from commercial AC systems to oil field waste.
We can go into existing gas wells, and we can bring the geofluid up, the hot water up, run that through our equipment, just run it through the radiator, so to speak, our heat exchanger, and then we can generate electricity there.
This small version of the green machine is being put through its paces at SMU. It's being used in the university's boiler room, where hot water is being used to produce electricity. Right now, it's producing about 50 kilowatts of power, roughly enough to power 40 or more homes. Officials at SMU welcome the opportunity to help verify the green machine's claims. The university's geothermal lab is already working to help oil field companies put geothermal fluids to good use, and they say this machine might be able to do that too.
It really overlaps many different disciplines, and so because of that, it's a great learning tool that can be used.
Heat waste specialists estimate about 60% of all the power that's generated is lost, mostly through heat waste. And they say products like ElectraTherm's green machine may help turn waste into energy.
It's all about making something from nothing.
Now, for more Free to Be Green stories and for links to help you go green, log on to our website, KDAF33.com.